नहीं एक जश्न है भारत, रग रग में है जीत की आदत, ऐसा हुनर दुश्मन भी सलामी दे। तू सूरज हम तेरे उजाले, तुझसे जुदा नहीं होने वाले, आखिर तक हम सफर तिरंगे के। जय हिंद जो नस नस में है, हर बाजी फिर बस में है, सिंध जान के हिंदुस्तान बोले। सलाम सलाम गए सलाम सलाम वंदे मातरम।
Let us look forward to a future worthy of their sacrifices. A warm and patriotic welcome to everyone gathered here today on this Independence Day. Esteemed principals, Sister Roshni and sisters, our honorable chief guest, Ms. Raimani Manvi, teachers and my dear children. Today we don't just celebrate a date on the calendar, but the enduring spirit of freedom that continues to shape our nation. This is not another day, it's a moment etched in the soul of our nation, a testament to the courage and resilience of those who dare to dream of free India. While we often celebrate the iconic leaders, let us also remember the countless unsung heroes, the ordinary citizens, the women, the children who played their part in the symphony of freedom. Perhaps a young girl who helped carry messages, or a farmer who hid freedom fighters, or a group of students who secretly printed pamphlets. Let us remember the stories of those who used their unique skill, their unwavering spirit, and their quiet act of defiance to chip away the edifice of colonialism. Let's pledge to be responsible citizens, to uphold the value of our nation, and to work towards a brighter future for all. Thank you. I would now like to call upon Jyoti Agarwal to present the welcome speech.
A splendiferous morning to the entire assemblage. We have gathered here today to celebrate the 78th Independence Day of India. This day is a day of immense pride for each and every Indian. It is a day to honor the countless sacrifices made by our freedom fighters who gave us the gift of liberty. On this auspicious occasion, amongst us is present Mrs. Raimani Marandi, who is an eminent personality in the field of imparting education to the youth. She has graduated from MPC College, Baripada, completed her postgraduate from Utkal University, joined OES in 1999. At present, she is serving as Assistant Professor in History at MPC Autonomous College, Takatpur. A warm welcome to you, Madam. Your presence is appreciated by all of us. Now, I would like to welcome the spearhead of the institution, Reverend Principal. Dear sister, you're an inspiration to all of us. Your relentless support has helped this institution to grow stupendously. A gracious welcome to you, dear sister. I now welcome the Vice Principal of the Alma Mater. Dear sister, we are thankful to you for your support. A warm welcome to you. Parents are the incarnation of the Almighty. We bow our heads in deep veneration to all the parents. Your constant support and encouragement has been a source of immense inspiration and motivation. A hearty welcome to each one of you. I now extend a cordial welcome to all the mentors of this institution. Dear teachers, you are the true architects who instill values of responsibility and freedom in young minds. We welcome each one of you once again. Last but not the least, I would like to welcome all the students to this occasion. Let us promise to protect our country, live in unity, to build a wonderful nation. A very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Dhriti. Now we move on to the most solemn and significant part of the ceremony, the flag hoisting. I request Professor Raimani Marandi and our Principal Sister Roshni to kindly hoist our national flag, the Triranga, a symbol of pride and sovereignty. As the flag ascends, let us all stand in reverence and sing our national anthem, Jana Gana Mana, in unison, letting its melody resonate with our patriotism. Hello.
जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 जय.
Now I would request our esteemed chief guest, Professor Raimani Marandi, the head of the Department History of North Odisha University, to be on stage to deliver her address on this auspicious occasion.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today we gather here celebrate the 15th August, our Independence Day. We know that in this day we got freedom, and so it is our nation's birthday. In this auspicious day, today we have to remember the courage and the efforts took by our freedom fighters, and we remember them. We know that for some of our important leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmibai, they sacrificed their life to get freedom for us. So it is our duty to remember them today, and we continue it because we have to contribute to development of our country. Now the Viksit Bharat is going on. It is up to 2047. So we have to contribute a lot, and this year the theme of our Independence Day is the Naya Bharat. So we have to contribute a lot to create a Naya Bharat. And Naya Bharat gives us the development not only in the world which the India deserves. So in this day we promise to ourselves to respect to each other, respect to our constitutions, and join our hand to make our Bharat the Viksit Bharat. Jai Hind. Thank you.
It's a privilege to have you today, ma'am. Your words undoubtedly inspired us all. Thank you. The sight of the national flag fluttering high fills our hearts with immense pride. Following this, we shall witness a disciplined and inspiring display of unity and strength. I invite the platoons to commence their marching, showcasing their dedication and respect for our nations. That was truly impressive display of precision and discipline by our platoons. We thank them for their dedicated performance. Now we shall proceed with the orderly dispersal of the platoons. I would like to call on Pragya ma'am on the stage for the announcement of the prizes.
भारत माता को राष्ट्र झंडे के लिए 3 बार सलामी देंगे। गोविंद नारा, गोविंद नारा, गोविंद नारा। ओम ग्रोथ डिस्पर्स।
Good morning to the entire assemblage here. A very happy Independence Day to all of you who have gathered here today. So, allow me to announce the names of those children who have achieved prizes in group competitions. So we begin now. Here are the prizes for the group singing competition. The first prize goes to Greenhouse. Give them a big round of applause. Achievers from the Greenhouse: Jhalak Agarwal, Leoshri Singh, Arpita Sakunia, Ekatva Arnav, Shreyansi Panda, Divya Shri Mohanty, Orasvita Barik, Amolika Astha Sen, Jigya Saha, Swati Sulagna Sahu, Tanisha Mohanty, and Abhinav Datta. Congratulations to all the prize winners of Greenhouse.
Stay there. So together we will take.
So congratulations to all the prize winners from the Greenhouse. The second prize goes to Red House. Clap for them, children. Appreciate their venture. Now from the Red House, we have the prize winners Rahul Kumar Murmu, Aritra Kumar Patra, Jyoti Ranjan Kar, Anushka Sharma, Priyanshi Das, Vishwambhara Garai, Srijukta Bhuya, Adira Aladi Tudu, Aishwarika Giri. Congratulations to all the prize winners from the Red House. students have also shown their mettle in regional basketball competition, securing the second position. Give them a big round of applause, children. So we have the achievers as Reet Go, Tamanna Singh, Subhani Hansda, Kritishala Bhatt Pinguya, Jagruti Sahu. As they take the prizes, children, give them a big round of applause. Congratulations to all the prize winners. Let me declare the names of those children who have brought glory to the school in athletics. In 800 meters, we have secured the third position, and the child is Kritishala Bhatt Pinguya. The child who has secured the third position in 400 meters, Anjali Patra. And the next one is Madhu Sagar Tudu, who has secured the third position in 400 meters. Madhu Sagar Tudu. The third position in javelin throw goes to Madhu Soren. Third position in javelin throw goes to Madhu Soren. So I congratulate all the prize winners. Thank you, madam and sister, for giving away all the prizes. I request the group to be with us for some more prizes. Now we have prizes for the rhyme competition from nursery. First prize goes to Kashmi Bhattar. The second prize, Bhargav Das. Children, clap for them. Clap, clap. And the third prize goes to Arnav Mohanty. Prize winners from For the rhyme competition from KG1, first Sayanush Patra, second Mayank Khandelwal, and the third prize goes to Hadasha and Samuel. The achievers from KG2, first Janessa Johnson, second Ayushi Mahanta, and the third prize goes to Jaishnavi Panigrahi. Clap, clap children. Please clap for these tiny tots. Now we have the prizes for the solo song competition. Standard 1, first prize goes to Smriti Mishra. Second, Utkarsh Mohanty. And the third prize goes to Sarthi Shibani Swain.
जेनी लेके आओ ना पापा।
Solo song competition prize winners from standard 2. First prize Vaibhavi Ganthar. Second Riyansh Raj Behra. And the third prize goes to Divyanjana Mohanta, sorry. Please clap. Clap for them. Once again you have to clap. Encourage the children who have brought glory to the institution with their performance. Solo song competition from standard 3 prize winners. First prize Shriyanshi Lenka. Second prize Ahana Mohanty. And the third prize Divyan Shagarwal.
Okay. That's it.
Okay. Children, you are asked to be in the hall now as it is raining.
A very warm morning to our honorable guests, esteemed Principal Sister Roshni, all the teachers and all our dear friends
present here.
On this glorious day, we gather to celebrate the spirit of freedom that our brave heroes gifted us. I, Bhakti Vijani, welcome you all to our Independence Day celebration.
and I, Ekatwa Anna, feel honored to be your co-host for today. Let's begin our program with patriotism and joy by showcasing the talent of our students.
To begin, let's listen to words that will ignite our patriotic spirit. Presenting the speaker Vin with a heartfelt speech in Hindi. गूंज रहा है दुनिया में हिंदुस्तान का नारा, चमक रहा है आसमान में तिरंगा हमारा। तो दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिसमें 23 साल है, सर ऊंचा रखना उसका जब तक निशान है। माननीय मुख्यमंत्री, आदरणीय शिक्षकगण और मेरे प्यारे देशवासियों, आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। मैं तस्वीर परवीन तथा कक्षा 9 की छात्रा हूं और मुझे ये स्वर्ण अवसर मिला है कि मैं आप सबके सामने स्वतंत्रता दिवस के बारे में अपने विचार रख सकूं। जैसे कि हम सबको पता है, प्रतिवर्ष 15 अगस्त को स्वतंत्रता दिवस पालन होता है और आज हम सब भारत के 49वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस पर यहाँ एकत्रित हुए। इस दिन को भारत के इतिहास में स्वर्ण अक्षरों में लिखा गया है कि कैसे हमने अंग्रेजों के खिलाफ अपनी आवाज उठाकर अपने आप को और अपने देश को स्वाधीन किया था। आज के दिन हम उन महान स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों को याद करते हैं जिन्होंने हमारे देश की आजादी के लिए अपनी प्राणों की आहुति तक दी, जैसे कि महात्मा गांधी, सुभाष चंद्र बोस, रानी लक्ष्मीबाई, भगत सिंह और अन्य कई नायकों ने मिलकर 15 अगस्त 1947 को हमारे देश को स्वाधीन करवाकर हमें स्वतंत्र देश उपहार में दिया था। आजादी का मतलब केवल राजनीतिक स्वतंत्रता नहीं है, बल्कि ये हमें अपने सपनों को पूरा करने, अपनी आकांक्षाओं को पूरा करने और अपने देश को विकास में पूर्ण तरीके से योगदान देने का अवसर भी प्रदान करती है, क्योंकि आजादी का महत्व सिर्फ उसे ही पता होता है जिसने कभी गुलामी की। और हम सब भाग्यशाली हैं कि हमें भारत जैसे महान राष्ट्र में जन्म मिला, जिसके कण कण में आजादी की झनकार और मार्च में मिली शहीदों के लहू में अपनी वीरता के गुण गाते हैं। आज के युवा हमारे देश के भविष्य है और उनकी रग रग में देशभक्ति का गीत दौड़ना चाहिए, किंतु दुखद बात तो ये है कि वो अपने देश के प्रति अपनी जिम्मेदारियां भूलते जा रहे हैं। वो अपने देश की समस्याओं से बेखबर है और अगर उन्हें अभी अपने देश के प्रति जागरूक नहीं किया गया तो वो दिन भी दूर नहीं जब हमारा भारत राष्ट्र उन्नति की मांग से हटकर सदा के अंधकार में चला जाएगा। पता नहीं आज भी कितने सैनिक बॉर्डर पर शहीद होते हैं, पर यहाँ तो युवाएं उन सब से बेखबर रहते हैं। अरे अब तो हमसे हमारा तिरंगा झंडा तक पूछने लगा है कि क्या बात है भारत, आजकल लहराने से ज्यादा मैं दफनाने में क्यों काम आ रहा हूँ। महोदय, हृदय तो उस दिन ही फट गया जब बूढ़ी माँ अपने शहीद हुए बेटे के चित्र के पास बैठकर बोली कि साहिब, आप तो भर्ती में 1 इंच कम नहीं लेते, मैं आपका शरीर कैसे ले लूं? अरे जब एक शहीद हुई जवान की विधवा की वेदना ही चीख चीख कर कहती है कि प्यार भी भरपूर गया, मांग का सिंदूर गया, नन्हे लेनदारों की खुशियां चली गई, छोटी छोटी बेटियों की हंसी चली गई। आपके लिए तो एक आदमी मरा है साहिब, मेरे लिए तो मेरे घर की रोटियां नहीं चली गई, मेरे लिए तो मेरे घर की रोटियां नहीं चली गई। तो आज के दिन हम सबको ये संकल्प लेना चाहिए कि हम अपने देश के प्रति अपनी जिम्मेदारियों से पीछे नहीं हटेंगे और जब समय आएगा हाथों में बंदूक लेकर शहीद हो जाएंगे, पर अपने वतन, अपने तिरंगे, अपने देश और अपनी मां को कभी झुकने नहीं देंगे, क्योंकि भारत हमारी राष्ट्रभूमि से पहले हमारी मां है और मां सिर्फ एक होती है और उस मां की रक्षा की खातिर अगर हम सबको अपने प्राणों की आहुति न दे देना पड़े तो स्वीकार्य है। तो बोलो, भारत की जान है तिरंगा, भारत की शान है तिरंगा हर देशवासियों का वतन है तिरंगा। आसमां में ऊंचा लहराए ये तिरंगा, हम सब का मान है तिरंगा, हम सब का मान है तिरंगा। जय भारत, जय हिंद।
That was truly inspiring. And now, let's keep the spirit alive with a vibrant dance performance by the girls of classes 3 and 4.
1, 2, 3, S-T-A-R-D-A.
तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। जहाँ सत्य अहिंसा और धर्म का पग पग लगता डेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। जहाँ सूरज सबसे पहले आकर डाले अपना फेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। जहाँ गंगा यमुना कृष्ण और तारे बहती जाए, जहाँ उत्तर दक्षिण पूरब पश्चिम को अमृत पिलवाए, ये अमृत पिलवाए। कहीं ये जल फल और फूल उगाए, केसर कहीं बिखेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। जहाँ आसमान से बातें करते मंदिर और शिवालय, किसी नगर में किसी द्वार पर कोई नजारा डाले,
जहाँ बजाता आए शाम सवेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। जहाँ सत्य अहिंसा और धर्म का पग पग लगता तेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा।
Patriotism knows no language barrier. To honor our motherland in our regional tongue, we now have a melodious Odia song performance.
জননীয়া মোর ভারত ভূমি স্বর্গ সমান আমরি পাই জননীয়া মোর ভারত ভূমি স্বর্গ সমান আমরি পাই হিমালয় চর মুকুট সমান
Music has filled our hearts, and now it's time for some powerful words in English. Let's welcome Abhinandan upon the stage for his inspiring speech. A very warm morning to the entire assembly, esteemed principal, respected sisters, teachers, and my honorable. Today, we have gathered here to celebrate a day of immense pride and significance, the 78th Independence Day of our beloved nation. August 15th is not just another date on the calendar, but it is a powerful reminder of the sacrifices of countless brave men and women who dreamt of a free India. They fought relentlessly against oppression, driven by an unwavering belief in freedom, justice, and the bright future of our nation. We remember the iconic figures whose names are etched in our history, from Mahatma Gandhi with his principles of non-violence to the fiery passion of the people like Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, and many more. In the 77 years of the independence of India, India has transformed significantly. From a developing nation, we have emerged as a global leader in our rich cultural heritage and the spirit of unity in diversity that defines us. Our democracy stands as a beacon of hope, demonstrating that a nation with over 1 billion people can thrive and prosper through mutual respect and motivation. But while we celebrate our past, our eyes should be fixed on the future. It is our solemn duty as citizens of India to uphold the spirit of our freedom fighters and to build a stronger, more prosperous India for the generations to come. So, let us rise, united and resolute, to honor our heritage and forge a new destiny for our nation. Let our actions be our pledge and our progress be our tribute. Thank you. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.
Thank you, Abhinandan.
Every celebration is incomplete without the little stars of our school. Let us welcome the nursery kids upon the stage to present a cute and colorful dance.
और मातरियाँ गाती है काफी कंगन खनकाती है और मातरियाँ गाती है मध्यम मध्यम सी पवन चले कोयलिया गीत सुनाती है आज के चाँद को चंदा मामा कहता है जिस देश में गंगा बहता है जिस देश में गंगा बहता है काफी कंगन खनकाती है और मातरियाँ गाती है मध्यम मध्यम सी पवन चले कोयलिया गीत सुनाती है बच्चा वहाँ आज भी चाँद को चंदा मामा कहता है जिस देश में गंगा बहता है जिस देश में गंगा बहता है
हेलो, give a good round of applause. Come on.
खुशबू में होता है कैसा जादू चाँदों का होता है कि हर कोई झूमता रहता है इस देश में काफी कंगन खनकाती है और मातरियाँ गाती है मध्यम मध्यम सी पवन चले कोयलिया गीत सुनाती है
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तान। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तान। हमने कहा हमने कहा है
And now, to connect with our roots even more deeply, we have Kathy Pannan delivering a speech in Odia.
ମାନନୀୟ ମୁଖ୍ୟ ଅତିଥି ଆମ ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟର ଅଧ୍ୟକ୍ଷ ମହାଶୟା ପୂଜ୍ୟ ଶିକ୍ଷକ ଶିକ୍ଷୟିତ୍ରୀ ଏବଂ ଉପସ୍ଥିତ ସମସ୍ତ ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀ ତଥା ମୋର ସହପାଠୀଗଣ ମୁଁ ଖ୍ୟାତି ପ୍ରଦାନ ମିଶ୍ର ଆଜି 89ତମ ସ୍ୱାଧୀନତା ଦିବସ ପାଳନ ଅବସରରେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଅଭିନନ୍ଦନ ଓ ଶୁଭେଚ୍ଛା ଜଣାଉଛି। ଆମେ ଆଜାଦୀର ଅମୃତ ମହୋତ୍ସବ ପାଳନ କରି ଭାରତର ପ୍ରତି କୋଣ ଅନୁକୋଣରେ ସ୍ୱାଧୀନ ଭାରତର ପ୍ରଗତିର ମଜା ଉଡ଼ାଇଛୁ। ଅତ୍ୟନ୍ତ କଷ୍ଟ ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ ଏହି ସ୍ୱାଧୀନତାକୁ ସବୁଦିନ ଅକ୍ଷୁର୍ଣ୍ଣ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଆମେ ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ଭାରତବାସୀ ପ୍ରତିଜ୍ଞାବଦ୍ଧ। ଜନନୀ ଜନ୍ମଭୂମିଶ୍ଚ ସ୍ୱର୍ଗାଦପି ଗୌରବଶ୍ରୀ ମା ଓ ମାତୃଭୂମି ସର୍ବଠାରୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ବଡ଼। ଶହ ଶହ ବର୍ଷର ପରାଧୀନତାର ଶୃଙ୍ଖଳରୁ ମୁକ୍ତ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଯେଉଁ ସବୁ ଯୁବ ଜନ୍ମ ଦେଶପ୍ରେମୀ ସ୍ୱାଧୀନତା ସଂଗ୍ରାମୀମାନେ ଆମ ଦେଶକୁ ନିଜ ଜୀବନ ଦେଇ ସ୍ୱାଧୀନତା ପ୍ରଦାନ କରିଛନ୍ତି, ସେମାନଙ୍କର ତ୍ୟାଗ ଓ ବଳିଦାନକୁ ଏ ଜାତି ଚିରଦିନ ଭୁଲି ପାରିବ ନାହିଁ। ସିପାହୀ ବିଦ୍ରୋହ ଠାରୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରି ନେତାଜୀ ସୁଭାଷ ଚନ୍ଦ୍ର ବୋଷ
ଭଗତ ସିଂ ଆଦିଙ୍କ ସଂଗ୍ରାମ ମହାତ୍ମା ଗାନ୍ଧୀଙ୍କର ଅସହଯୋଗ ଆନ୍ଦୋଳନ ଅହିଂସା ଆନ୍ଦୋଳନ ଲବଣ ସତ୍ୟାଗ୍ରହ ଏବଂ ଶେଷରେ ଭାରତ ଛାଡ଼ ଆନ୍ଦୋଳନ ପରିଣାମ ସ୍ୱରୂପ 1947 ମସିହା ଅଗଷ୍ଟ 15 ତାରିଖରେ ଭାରତର ସ୍ୱାଧୀନତାର ନୂତନ ସୂର୍ଯ୍ୟୋଦୟ ହୋଇଥିଲା। ଅତ୍ୟାଚାରୀ ଇଂରାଜୀ ଶାସନ କବଳରୁ ମୁକ୍ତ ହୋଇ ଭାରତ ଏକ ସାର୍ବଭୌମ ଗଣତାନ୍ତ୍ରିକ ସାମାଜ୍ୟବାଦୀ ଧର୍ମ ନିରପେକ୍ଷ ସ୍ୱାଧୀନ ରାଷ୍ଟ୍ର ରୂପେ ବିଶ୍ୱରେ ବିଦିତ ହେଲା। ସମ୍ପ୍ରତି ଦେଶ କଳା ସଂସ୍କୃତି ବିଜ୍ଞାନ ପ୍ରଯୁକ୍ତି ବିଦ୍ୟା ଆଦିରେ ଉତ୍ତମ ଶିକ୍ଷଣ ଶୁଣିବା ବେଳେ ପରଶ୍ରୀ କାତରତା ଲୋଭ ଓ ଦୁର୍ନୀତି ବିଚ୍ଛିନ୍ନତାବାଦୀ ଚିନ୍ତାଧାରା ଆତଙ୍କବାଦୀ ଆକ୍ରମଣ ଦେଶ ସ୍ୱାଧୀନତା ପ୍ରତି ବିପଦ ସୃଷ୍ଟି କରୁଛି। ପଡ଼ୋଶୀ ରାଷ୍ଟ୍ରମାନଙ୍କର ଯୁଦ୍ଧଖୋର ମନୋଭାବ ଏବଂ ଆତଙ୍କବାଦୀ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକଳାପ ସବୁକୁ ଦୃଢ଼ୋତ୍ସାହରେ ଦମନ କରି ସୀମା ସୁରକ୍ଷା ଏବଂ ଆଭ୍ୟନ୍ତରୀଣ ସୁରକ୍ଷା ବଜାୟ ରଖିବା ପାଇଁ ଅପରେସନ ସିନ୍ଦୁର ପରି ପଦକ୍ଷେପ ସରକାର ନେଇଛନ୍ତି। ଶେଷରେ ମୁଁ ଏତିକି କହିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି ଆଜିର କାଲିର ଭବିଷ୍ୟ ଏଣୁ ଛାତ୍ର ସମାଜ ସଚେତନ କରି ନିଜ କର୍ତ୍ତବ୍ୟ ସୁଚାରୁ ରୂପେ ସମ୍ପାଦନ କରିବା ଉଚିତ। ଗର୍ବର ସହ ଆମେ କହୁଛୁ ଆମେ ଭାରତୀୟ ଆମେ ଆଦୃତ୍ୟ। ଜୟ ଶ୍ରୀ
Our national reach not just in our style, but also in our song. Presenting a Hindi group song by our melodious singers.
कल की बात पुरानी नए दौर में लिखेंगे मिलकर नई कहानी। हम हिंदुस्तानी हम हिंदुस्तानी हम हिंदुस्तानी हम हिंदुस्तानी। छोड़ो कल की बात पुरानी नए दौर में लिखेंगे मिलकर नई कहानी। हम हिंदुस्तानी हम हिंदुस्तानी हम हिंदुस्तानी हम हिंदुस्तानी। आज पुरानी जंजीरों को तोड़ चुके हैं क्या देखे उस मंजिल को जो छोड़ चुके हैं। चांद के दर पर जा पहुंचा है आज जमाना नए जगत से हम भी नाता जोड़ चुके हैं। नया खून है नई उमंग है अब है नई जवानी। हम हिंदुस्तानी हम हिंदुस्तानी हम हिंदुस्तानी हम हिंदुस्तानी। छोड़ो कल की बातें कल की बात पुरानी नए दौर में लिखेंगे मिलकर नई कहानी। हम हिंदुस्तानी हम हिंदुस्तानी हम हिंदुस्तानी हम हिंदुस्तानी। आओ मेहनत को अपना ईमान बनाए अपने हाथों से अपना भगवान छोड़ो कल की बातें, कल की बात पुरानी, नए दौर में लिखेंगे मिलकर नई कहानी। हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी।
धन्यवाद।
As we come to the end of today's Independence Day celebration, it's time for the friendly competition, the Inter-House Dance. Let's cheer for all the houses as they present their creativity and teamwork. I now welcome the Patel House to showcase their dance performance.
Bongal is a vibrant folk art and a ritualistic dance form originating in Maharashtra. It is a dance form created by warrior sage Parshuram. This dance form combines singing, dancing and storytelling in a ritualistic performance dedicated to deities like Renuka and Bhavani. This dance, which is a form of worship and entertainment, is a part of wedding and religious festivals, and the performer of this art are called Gondhales. So here we have the performance by the Gondhales of St. Anne's Convent.
साऱ्या जगाला तू संजीवनी देते, उग्र रूपा मागे सुद्धा वात्सल्य वाहते, तुझ्या कृपा दृष्टीचे मी दान मागते, गोंधळ मांडिते ग आई गोंधळ मांडी. चरणी तुझा ठेवू माथा दान गडाई दान.
I would now like to call upon the stage host house to present a Bengali dance form.
The Dhumki dance is a vibrant and energetic ritual performed during Durga Puja, particularly on Vijaya Dashami in Bengal. It involves devotees holding an earthen pot uniquely filled with burning coconut husk and incense. As the unity smoke rises, dancers sway rhythmically to the beat of drums, creating a mesmerizing atmosphere. This dance is a tribute to Goddess Durga, symbolizing devotion, celebration, and the cultural spirit of the god.
vibrant soul, dancing through time, from the Himalayas to the stage, experience the magic, moving in vibrant circles, celebrating unity and joy.
क्योंकि झलवारी तेरी छुम छुम बजली टूटा ठूठुम ही चली क्योंकि झलवारी तेरी छुम छुम बजली टूटा ठूठुम ही चली होगी रेली को जो आके के लागली अरे पिपले नारी उमड़ी तू चौपटी खेली ला साड़ी तेरी मखमली अंगिया तेरी पिंगली चादरी सुमपटी साड़ी तेरी मखमली अंगिया तेरी पिंगली चादरी तेरा सोका बीचा चोरी खाना की गोबरमा पिंगली चादरी पूरा उड़े पूरा उड़े पूरा उड़े
Wonderful performance backwards. I now call upon the stage Nehru House to perform their dance form. In Rajara district of Odisha, Adivasi communities including farmers express their cultural identity through various dances. These dances are often deeply connected to their daily life and agricultural practices. Many dances are performed during festivals like Chaiti Parab, Karama and Tokimara Parva, which are often related to agricultural operations, harvest seasons and thanksgiving for a good crop. The dances symbolize joy, gratitude and a harmonious relationship between human and nature.
Radhika Mohanty for a solo song. That was wonderful. I now call upon Divyani Singh upon the stage for the vote of thanks.
I am extremely enraptured to be standing before a galaxy of leading individuals. And as curtains fall on today's event, I deem it honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this auspicious occasion. Today, as we gather here to reaffirm the commitment to the values of unity and devotion, I would like to take this opportunity to extend my deep sense of gratitude to our esteemed guest, Mrs. Raimani Malanti, for presiding over this colorful festivity. Dear Madam, your presence has indeed been an oasis of inspiration. I would also like to take a moment to thank
And having said that, an event of such a magnitude cannot happen overnight. It needs a bird's eye and deep precision to make it happen. The event started rolling weeks ago, and hence, with deep reverence, I would like to pay a tribute to the dignitaries of our school, all the committed teachers, participants, and students for their unwavering contribution, which will always remain unparalleled. Last but not least, I would like to acknowledge all the non-teaching staff who have been the undisputed victors through it all. We are truly fortunate to be backed by a team of such dedicated members. With this, I conclude wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. Thank you.